Today I am reviewing the latest IM from the brand KBear, the KB02. This is getting much love in the hobby for its unique driver configuration in a budget of one beryllium-plated 10mm dynamic driver and one 10mm elastic type bone conduction driver. So let's find out in today's video how this performs. Before starting the review, I want to thank keephifi for sending these IMs in for a review. So let's move on to accessories package. There is nothing new here. The accessories are average for the price. Things provided in the box are 3.5mm cable and 3 different types of ear tips. It would have been nice to see a small carry case or a carry pouch included in the box. The provided cable is adequate for the price, though it could have been better. One thing that I really appreciate is the inclusion of different type of ear tips that will be very helpful for the beginners who doesn't have much ear tips for tip rolling process. Now on to the design and build. The design of this IM is one of its highlight. It looks very beautiful. I have the purple colorway here and the faceplate has a nice depth to it. The build quality is also impressive for the price. The shells are made of high quality material and feel robust and dense, especially when compared to other IMs in the same price range. Now let's talk about fit and comfort. I have no issues with the fit and comfort of this IM. The shell has nice shape that fits in the ear well and the nozzle is also medium sized, so no issues there. It's very comfortable and I can wear it for hours without discomfort. In terms of sources, I used it with the JM21 DAB and it powered it well. KBO2 requires a decent amount of power to open up, so use it with a decently powerful dongle DAC. Before moving to sound, I want to talk more about the bone conduction driver that is used in the KBO2. It's an elastic type bone conduction driver and it creates a very interesting effect. You can actually hear and feel the vibrations when tapping on the shells, almost like a spring moving inside. This also happens while wearing it and talking, which feels quite strange at first. It may take some time to get used to. So, how does a bone conduction driver feel? While working, you will feel a mild tingling or vibrating sensation in the ear. I use the Dunu Candy tips for my sound testing. In terms of tuning, KBO2 has a mild V-shaped tuning. So let's start with the bass. The bass performance on this IM heavily depends on the fit since the bone conduction driver works in the bass region. Achieving the right fit is crucial to ensure the proper contact between the shell and your ear, making the bone conduction effect more apparent. Once that's in place, the bass quality is genuinely impressive. It feels very tactile and bouncy. The bass profile is linear, that leans more towards sub bass over mid bass. The sub bass delivers satisfying rumble with good texture, while the mid bass offers a nice punchy thump. The amount of mid bass is just right, adding enough body to make the music sound fun without bleeding into the lower mids. Now on to the mids. The mids are competently tuned on this IM. Lower mids are clean and when separated when compared to the other IMs in the same price range. These do not sound as hefty as I would say Kefine Clean or Innovacan Dawn MS. But that doesn't mean they sound thin in any way. They have enough heft for the vocals and instruments to sound natural. Upper mid is the region where this IM can be a make or break IM for you. Upper mids are pushed up, they sound forward and exciting. But if you want something relaxed, then this might not be the set for you. This IM is more suitable for lower volume listening. Now let's talk about treble. The treble is decent on this IM and it is fairly smooth, though the mid treble can come across as strident. This issue can be solved by using narrowboard tips like Final E tips and Dunu Candy tips. The treble has good amount of bite and resolution, making details come through nicely. However, the main drawback is the lack of upper ear extension. A bit more air and openness would have been ideal, as it would enhance the overall sense of space and refinement. Finally, on to the detail retrieval and technical performance. The macro detail pickup is good, while the micro detail pickup is also decent for the price. In terms of technical performance, it holds up well for its category. The soundstage has good width and front and back depth pickup is also well defined. Instrument separation and layering are about what you would expect from $40 IM. Not exceptional, but certainly competent for the price. So, what's the conclusion then? This is my first time trying an IM from KBear and it left quite a positive impression on me. I liked it a lot. The bone conduction driver provides a unique experience in this price range. This IM does a lot of things competently from build, sound to fit and comfort. Though there are some drawbacks such as noticeable bone conduction sensation while talking or tapping on the shells, the forward upper mids and the lack of upper treble extension. It was released at $40 and now it is available for around $30, and at this price point this is a very good buy. I would not hesitate recommending this IM to someone who wants to try something unique in this price point. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share this video and leave a like down below. And if you want to purchase this IM, I will leave the links down in the description. Bye.